Hey guys, great to see you again. Sometimes when you're scrolling through YouTube, Reels, or TikTok, you stumble upon videos that are just so funny and unexpected. Like this one, Speed meets Ronaldo, and someone cleverly edited them kissing in such a funny, realistic way. Even Speed himself couldn't believe it when his video went viral. Or how about this one? Two characters look like they're about to fight, but suddenly hug each other instead. So funny, right? It's all thanks to AI. In today's video, I'll show you how to create these kinds of funny videos so you can come up with your own unique ideas for your Faceless YouTube channel. First, open the CapCut software. If you don't have it yet, download it using the link in the description below. Then click on New Project. And now, let's import the video you want to edit. Next, add it to the timeline. And now let's watch and analyze the original video. In the original video, we can see that towards the end, the character in the white shirt moves forward and hits the character in the black shirt. And now we'll change the ending by cutting it out and replacing it with a different scene. Finding the right spot to cut is crucial. Once you've found the right spot, press the split button and remove the unwanted part. Select the final frame of the scene, then click on the three-dot menu and choose Export Still Frame to capture the last frame of the video. After that, press the Export button, and just like that, we now have the image of the final keyframe from the video. At this point, you get the idea, right? We'll use this image to create the video we want. Now, open your browser and search for Kling AI. Of course, you can use other AI video generators like Luma Labs or Runway if you prefer. Next, click on AI Video, switch over to the Image to Video tab. After that, upload the image we captured earlier from the video. And in the prompt box, you can type something like two men hugging each other, or kissing each other, or whatever creative idea you can come up with. In the Settings section, select Standard Mode. Then click Generate to create the video. And here's the result. So amazing, right? If you're not satisfied with this result, you can generate a few more times to pick the best one. And now let's download this result. Next, reopen CapCut. Import the newly downloaded video. And replace the section of the video that we removed earlier. And now let's watch the result. Unbelievable, right? And there you have it. It's amazing what AI can do, right? With just a few simple steps and a bit of creativity, you can create funny and unique videos for your Faceless YouTube channel.